If you're serious about gaming, choosing the right gaming computer can make all the difference in your experience. Whether you're a casual player or a competitive gamer, having a PC that delivers smooth performance, stunning graphics, and reliable speed will elevate your gameplay and keep you ahead of the competition. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about gaming computers, from the key components to look for to the top models on the market right now. Let's start with what makes a gaming computer different from a regular desktop. Gaming PCs are specifically designed with powerful processors, dedicated graphics cards, and enhanced cooling systems to handle the demands of modern games. While a standard computer might struggle with today's graphics-intensive titles, a proper gaming rig will run them smoothly, allowing you to experience games as the developers intended. When shopping for a gaming computer, there are several key components you'll want to pay attention to. First is the processor, or CPU, which serves as the brain of your system. For gaming, you'll want at least an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5, though an i7 or Ryzen 7 will give you better performance, especially if you plan to stream or multitask while gaming. Next is the graphics card, arguably the most important component for gaming performance. NVIDIA's GeForce RTX series and AMD's Radeon RX cards are the leading options, with models like the RTX 4060, 4070, and 4080 offering excellent performance at different price points. The graphics card determines how well your computer can render game visuals, so it's worth investing in a good one if your budget allows. RAM is another crucial factor. For modern gaming, 16 GB of DDR4 or DDR5 RAM is the sweet spot, though 32 GB will give you more headroom for multitasking and future-proofing. Storage is important too. A solid-state drive, SSD, will significantly reduce load times compared to traditional hard drives. Many gamers opt for a combination, a smaller SSD for the operating system and favorite games, plus a larger hard drive for storage. Cooling is often overlooked but extremely important for gaming computers. High-performance components generate a lot of heat, which can lead to thermal throttling and reduced performance if not properly managed. Look for systems with multiple fans, good airflow design, or even liquid cooling for the most demanding setups. Now, let's look at some of the best gaming computers currently available on the market. One standout option is the CyberPower PC Gamer Master, which features an AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor, GeForce RTX 4060 Ti graphics, 16 GB of DDR5 RAM, and a 1 TB PCIe SSD. Priced around $1,100, it offers excellent value for mid to high-end gaming performance. Users particularly praise its quiet operation and ability to handle 1080p and 1440p gaming effortlessly. For those seeking top-tier performance, the ABI-Power Y60 is worth considering. With an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super 16GB graphics, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, and a spacious 2 TB NVMe SSD, this powerhouse can handle anything from competitive esports to demanding AAA titles at high resolutions. At around $1,900, it's a significant investment, but the performance justifies the price for serious gamers. If you're working with a tighter budget, the Skytech Gaming Nebula offers impressive performance at around $850. It comes equipped with an Intel Core i5-13400F processor, NVIDIA RTX 4060 graphics, 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and a 1 TB NVMe SSD. This configuration delivers solid 1080p gaming performance on ultra settings across most modern titles, making it an excellent entry point for new PC gamers. For those who want a blend of style and performance, the Thermaltake Quartz i460 features a striking design with RGB lighting and a mesh front panel for optimal airflow. Powered by an Intel Core i5-13400F and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, it handles modern games smoothly while looking great on your desk. Priced at around $900, it's a solid mid-range option that doesn't sacrifice aesthetics for performance. If you're looking for a premium gaming experience, the Alienware Aurora R16 represents the high end of the market. With configurations featuring Intel Core i9 processors and RTX 4070 Super graphics, these systems deliver exceptional performance for the most demanding games and applications. The Aurora's unique design also incorporates advanced cooling technology to keep temperatures in check during extended gaming sessions. Starting at around $1,800, these systems are an investment but deliver performance to match. For those on an extremely tight budget, there are still decent options available. The ST Gaubron Gaming PC Desktop, priced around $415, features an Intel Core i7 processor and AMD Radeon RX 580 graphics. While it won't match the performance of more expensive systems, it can still handle popular titles like Fortnite and Call of Duty Warzone at reasonable settings, making it a good starting point for casual gamers. It's worth noting that many pre-built gaming computers come with Windows already installed, along with peripherals like keyboards and mice. This can be convenient if you're looking for an all-in-one solution, though enthusiasts might prefer to choose their own accessories for a more personalized setup. Another consideration is upgradability. Some pre-built systems make it easy to swap out components as your needs change or as new hardware becomes available. Look for cases with toolless design and standard form factors if you think you might want to upgrade in the future. Let's talk about some real-world performance expectations. With a mid-range system like the CyberPower PC GamerMaster or Skytech Nebula, you can expect to run most modern games at 1080p resolution with high to ultra settings, achieving 60+ frames per second in most titles. More demanding games might require some settings adjustments, but the experience will still be smooth and enjoyable. Step up to a high-end system like the iBuyPower Y60 or Alienware Aurora R16, and you're looking at comfortable 1440p gaming with high settings, or even 4K gaming with some compromises. These systems also excel at multitasking, allowing you to stream your gameplay or run other applications in the background without significant performance impacts. Budget systems like the ST Gaubron will handle esports titles and less demanding games well at 1080p, though you might need to reduce settings in the latest AAA releases to maintain smooth performance. They're still perfectly capable for casual gaming and everyday computing tasks. One advantage of gaming computers over consoles is their versatility. Beyond gaming, these powerful systems excel at content creation, video editing, 3D rendering, and other demanding tasks. If you're a creator as well as a gamer, a good gaming PC can serve double duty, potentially saving you from needing separate systems for different tasks. Connectivity is another important factor to consider. Most gaming computers come with a variety of USB ports, audio jacks, and display outputs. Higher-end models often include USB-C, multiple display outputs for multi-monitor setups, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Make sure the system you choose has the connections you need for your peripherals and network setup. Let's address a common question. Is it better to build your own gaming PC or buy a pre-built system? Building your own can save money and gives you complete control over component selection, but requires technical knowledge and time. Pre-built systems offer convenience, warranty coverage, and professional assembly, often at a reasonable premium over DIY costs. For many gamers, especially those new to PC gaming, a quality pre-built system offers the best balance of performance, value, and hassle-free setup. When it comes to maintenance, gaming computers require some basic care to keep them running optimally. Regular dusting, driver updates, and occasional software maintenance will help ensure your system continues to perform well over time. Most pre-built systems come with manufacturer warranties, typically ranging from 1 to 3 years, providing peace of mind against hardware failures. It's also worth considering the physical space your gaming computer will occupy. Tower-style desktops are the most common and offer the best cooling and upgradability, but require desk space. Smaller form factor systems are available if space is at a premium, though they may run hotter or offer fewer upgrade options. Power consumption is another consideration, especially with high-performance components. Gaming computers typically draw more power than standard desktops, particularly during intensive gaming sessions. A quality power supply with sufficient wattage is essential for system stability, and you might want to factor the potential impact on your electricity bill into your budget planning. Now, let's talk about some specific use cases to help you determine what level of system might be right for you. If you primarily play competitive esports titles like Counter-Strike, Valorant, or League of Legends, even a budget or mid-range system will deliver the high frame rates these games benefit from. These titles are typically optimized to run well on a wide range of hardware. For those who enjoy immersive single-player experiences like Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, or the latest Assassin's Creed titles, a mid-range to high-end system will provide the best experience, allowing you to enjoy these visually stunning games with high settings and smooth performance. Lastly, content creators who game will benefit from higher-end systems with more RAM and powerful CPUs. Video editing, streaming, and 3D rendering all benefit from additional processing power and memory beyond what's strictly necessary for gaming alone. So, don't miss out. Get your gaming computer today.